Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to get Grammarly Premium for free in 2025 using legal method right from your iPhone. No hacks, no tricks, just real way that actually work. Let's begin. First, Grammarly often gives a premium free trial to new users. Open the Grammarly app on your iPhone, log in and look for banner that says free trial or upgrade. Tap it and enjoy premium feature for several days completely free. Second method, many schools, colleges and university give student Grammarly premium for free. Open the Grammarly app, go to account, join your organization and enter your school email. If your school is supported, you get premium instantly at no cost. Third, you can get premium discount through referral reward. In the Grammarly app, go to settings, go to referrals, share your link with friends. When they sign up, you earn points or rewards that sometimes unlock premium features. Grammarly also runs special promotions for students and teachers during back-to-back school months. Just visit Grammarly official website from Safari on your iPhone and check for student offers. This can give temporary or discounted premium access. Even without premium, the free version gives grammar help, spelling check, rewriting tools, and tone suggestions, so you can still improve your writing without paying anything at all. That's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you next one.